good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating buong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The competition promises to be fierce, with each participant bringing the unique strengths and stories to the forefront. Stay tuned for updates, behind the scenes, glimpses, and interviews as we follow their journeys. Who will rise above the rest and earn the coveted title? Let the Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 competition begins. Official headshots of the Mr. of Filipinas Lipas City 2024 candidates. Get ready to meet the exceptional men who are vying for the prestigious title of Misters of Filipinas Lipas City 2024. And these candidates represent the true essence of Lipas City with their charm, spirit, and unwavering passion. Each of them has been carefully selected to compete, showcasing not only their physical attributes but also their dedication to community service, leadership, and personal growth. Guillermo Kenzo, a 21-year-old resident of Barangay Tambo, stands at 5'9" and is admired for his dedication and community spirit. Known for his proactive approach, Guillermo is actively involved in various initiatives aimed at improving his barangay. His leadership skills and enthusiasm for community service make him a prominent figure in local projects and events. Apart from his civic engagements, Guillermo is also passionate about sports and fitness, often seen encouraging a healthy lifestyle among his peers. His charismatic nature and commitment to making a positive impact continue to inspire those around him, solidifying his role as a valuable member of Barangay Tambo.
Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!